Well, Christmas has arrived at Howell's. Good morning, everyone. And I wonder, did you spot anything strange on the roundabout when you arrived today? Let me tell you, Clive is not very happy. I'm going to tell you a story about Howell's at Christmas. And it's written in this book called An Unexpected Visit. So sit back and listen to the story. In the heart of Llandaff, where the glow of Christmas lights reflected off the quaint Welsh rooftops, the sound of jingling bells could be heard whispering on the wind. Santa Claus had readied his sleigh and began his journey to check if Cardiff's children had been naughty or nice. The night air shimmered as the last snowy footsteps of excited children crunched towards their front doors. It was time to go to sleep. But up above, in the cold night sky, an unseen fog descended, cloaking Santa's route in a shroud of festive mist. Dazed and disorientated, Santa wrestled with the reins. He pulled left, he pulled right, up and down, and before he knew it, his sleigh collided with the most majestic tree just on the roundabout outside Howell School. As he surveyed the tangled mass of reindeer harnesses and scattered presents, a wave of disappointment swept over him. With the sleigh so badly damaged, how could Christmas go ahead? The fog was so thick he could barely see beyond his warm winter gloves. Christmas might have to be delayed. Being stranded and without a clear direction ahead, Santa decided to leave his sleigh in the capable hooves of his reindeer and ventured into Howell's for respite. Inside the school, the warm buzz of holiday preparations greeted him as he made his way into Mrs. Davis's office. All was quiet, except for the sound of crackling wood in the fireplace, as a faint aroma of freshly baked Welsh cakes wafted through the corridor. What a nice place to stop, he thought to himself, as he slipped off his boots and warmed his toes against the fire with a nice mug of hot chocolate. And that's all I'm going to read today. But if you go along to the kitchen at break time, you'll find Santa's left some hot chocolate there for you too. See you soon.